Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Accenture full exam process. Yes, recently we all know that Accenture has begun their hiring process where they're going to hire people from off campus. So in this video would be a comprehensive complete guide for all of you because Accenture has changed the pattern in 2026 on campus. They started following the way Cognizant used to take. So in this video, I can tell you that what is the candidate experience that they recently experienced uh, with Accenture recruitment drive. So in this video, let's begin. We'll talk about new pattern, no aptitude, all you need to crack online assessment, preparation tips and resources. So first is most recent pattern is round one, behavioral assessment, which means how you will react or which kind of situations they're gonna ask about that. Type which is 50 plus questions, then no elimination round, MCQ with options, strongly agree, disagree, these kind of questions like what will you do if your manager is doing this or doing that. That would be a situational kind and you need to choose one of the right option which you feel as per your behavior. Is that you are agreeing with that opinion or that? Okay, so this is a non-elimination round, but yes, if it is that, please be true what you are and attempt this particular round. Round 2 is cognitive assessment. So here we have a game-based pattern which is of easy level. We have total 3 games. First is a rat and maze game, which is 3 questions, 4 minutes each, which means for each question you will have 4 minutes to solve. So 4 minutes is actually a big amount of interval. So we recommend you to solve as many level as you can because there would be a survey of all of these shifts that they're gonna have and they will have a respective cutoff. More than that, you need to solve the levels. If you're not able to solve the respective levels, if you're not able to pass the cutoff, then it is hard to get the technical assessment. Okay, so yes, so try to solve as many levels as you can because that would be this kind of games are very easy. Rat in the maze, it can be like you have a rat and you need to move it to the hole or a house or something. So there would be a multiple routes, there you have stones or somewhere, so you need to choose the optimal way as far as we got inputs from candidate. Okay, so you can see the find the correct part through the maze by applying logical and spatial reasoning. Makes sense. Now key door game, we have again 3 questions, 4 minutes each. So here again the objective is to solve as many levels as you can. Inside this grid you will see a slider or movable block, a key placed somewhere in the grid, the door placed at another position. Some right cells might be obstacle walls or where you can't move. So yep, what I recommend is whenever you step into this game base, they will definitely show you the levels that you need to pass or like what are the rules for the games, how you need to play a simulation kind. Because as far as I remember on my time when I appeared for Cognizant, then definitely they show that how you need to play this game. So don't skip it. If you skip, then you might waste your minute to understand what is the flow and how you gonna be solving each and every levels. Okay, so try to read the information guidelines properly and start building your own reasoning and solve as many levels as you can. Mind my words, the rounds would be very easy, just you know how to play. Okay, so another is the bubble section game. Total 24 question. Time limit is 30 seconds per question. Objectives: perform quick mental calculation and select bubbles in increasing numerical order on results. So we got feedback such kind of like this. We have 100 by 2 which is eventually 50. Then we have 80. Then we have 56. So what you need to do is you need to choose the bubble as per their increasing order like 50, 56, 80, or it can be ascending, descending as per the questions. So yeah, this kind of thing you need to perform this mental math very quickly. Here we took a very simple examples, but there can be some mixed fractions or something. You need to calculate it very fast and choose the bubbles respectively either in the increasing order or decreasing order that will be specified in the question. Note, no aptitude question asked. This is the statement that we got from the candidate. So stick to this. No aptitude is asked. Game based as a elimination round. So try to be very attentive. Try to solve as many rounds as you can. Be attentive when they are providing you guideline how to play the game. Once you know it, definitely put your brain into, you will solve more than 10 levels, I believe. Okay. So stay focus in this section. This section requires the focus and attention. Now third section, which is technical MCQ, which is of total 45 question. MS Office, networking, cloud, CS, code snippets, OOPS, Web SQL, computer networks, OS. So these are the trending questions or topics from which they ask. So the best part of the section is, oh, you got a spoiler. So best part of the section is I have already uploaded the video on each of this section with a comprehensive MCQ sections. If you go through it, it will definitely help you to prepare, revision the concepts. I will add Accenture into my playlist. You can see in the I button, or you can just in the description and just scroll a bit. You will get an Accenture playlist. Or what you can do, you can just search like MS Office Accenture Prime Coding or networking prime code. You will get the MCQ series for sure on the screen. Just follow it and get the revision of all the topics which you did. Please put this into your mind is 1 minute for each question, so don't spend more time on it. Try to be very focused with your time, because time will eventually help you to get selected. If you waste time, it eventually mean you are not able to solve as many questions that you can solve it. So if you're not able to get a idea and approach for a question, just skip it and go ahead. It is of no use if you're wasting time over there. Round 4 is question 3, which is of 60 minutes. Front-end snippet, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as we know, same as Cognizant. Basic button color change, which is JS events. DSA, basic problem. Array string-based problem. Rotation-based problem. Addition-based problem. Equation-based. What do you mean by equation-based, Aditya? You need to frame, you need to look over the problem statement and understand how you can create an equation. Like if this guy is taking this much time, so x or 2x plus 3x, this kind of stuff you need to perform. And in the end, you will able to get the answer for sure. But the key point over here is Java, Python, C Sharp is the currently supported language. We have not heard till now that C++ is supporting. If you know, if you have appeared for Accenture, if someone has appeared for Accenture, if you have knowledge about it, please let us know in the comment section whether C++ is supported in his or her examination or in your examination or not, so that our viewers or your peers will get to know that yes, C++, if they are habitual with C++, do they have this choice or not. So SQL query, combine 3 columns, string functions and join groups. Difficulty, easy, medium would be there. Make sure to view the schema for sure, because sometimes people do forget to view the schema. They don't understand the question. There would be a button around the question, or they will hyperlink schema. So try to open the schema, understand how is the flow. It would be simple joins and you need to give the answer. Make sure to provide the column names properly, because sometimes they say I have applied the right logic, but still the test case was not getting passed because of your column names. They specify the output format as they want. Just see the column names and provide the alias of the respective selections of the column. Okay, so this route is easy. The SQL node is not that hard, but as you will seeing the schema, understanding the schema well, it will help you to construct your queries. They will create some complex schema, but the question would be very easy. You need to understand it. One-to-one mock interview will help you out to crack your interview, because from all of these sections you will able to come up on the interview for sure. But here you have a fully hand-feeded guidance from our team, who are real experts who crack this type of company in their on-campus placements. In-depth mock interview will be taken. HRMR questions will see your response over how you're responding it. Resume review, so that you will remove all your weakness from your resume before sitting in the interview. Full interview simulation of an exact interview. Personalized feedback and guidance from our real experts who crack these types of company in their off-campus placement. And yes, when you know your weakness before your actual interview, no one can reject you right there, because you don't gonna do the same mistake that you have as a weakness, because you will definitely eliminate those, because here the real-time experts are sitting with you to help you out. We don't care about the time, we just sit with you and help you end to end how you need to crack and how you need to overcome from your weakness that we understood from your whole mock session. As I said, I have a comprehensive Accenture playlist which has all your needs. You just need to look over this video, get whatever you want, MCQ for each and every subjects or topics which I shown. You can just go through and understand all the flow and ace it right there. As this is the examples of Moza pseudocode question one shot, MS Office, Accenture 15 days roadmap 100, shift coding, shift problems, crack, QA, and many more stuff you can find over our channel, because it's filled with the resources. Now, other resources are for interview, which is on point revision series, and it is too good. We got tons of good response of these notes, because it's an interview ready. And let's say if you want an in-depth, you can head on to www.primecoding.in, and there you will find an in detail good exemplary notes over there in the same rate itself. So yes, if you're still watching this channel, please consider subscribing this, like this video, share with your friends so that your friend can also be aligned with the Accenture complete guide and they crack the upcoming hiring drive with them, because it's been very hard to see that yes, for 2025 batch, 24 batch was not able to secure a job till now. Accenture is here to hire them and give them an opportunity to step in the IT field. So don't waste your time and other time. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with your friends, and do the good cause. We'll meet you with a great content soon.